How to fix internal error. Request failed error, unable to prepare assets for download problem. To do this, press the Windows and R keys simultaneously to open Run. After opening Run, type app data with a %sign at the beginning and end. Then click OK. In the opened folder, double-click the Minecraft folder. After doing this, open the Saves folder, select and copy the worlds you want to backup. After copying, paste them to the desktop. The next thing we need to do is open the Xbox app and uninstall Minecraft. Click Uninstall again to proceed. Now click Install to download it again. After downloading the launcher, click Play and then Install. After clicking Single Player, if you cannot see your worlds here, you need to place the backup files into the Saves folder. Now you can check whether the internal error request failed error unable to prepare assets for download problem is solved or not.